Hello students, today we are going to continue the graph chapter, that is construction and interpretation of graph paper. In this chapter you will learn actually how this pictorial representation helps you to display any numerals with the help of picture. So here I have just taken one bar graph. Bar graph is also one graph. You could understand that one. Bar means this is the any rectangular form is called the bar. We are representing any data with the help of that type of geometrical, that is figure. For this we are just talking about this is bar graph. This is actually a pictorial representation of numericals data in the form of rectangle of equal width and varying height. What does it mean? Let's just take one example over here. Suppose these are the data given obtained by Onu in her annual exam. In her exam in subject English, she scored 90%, Maths 95, Hindi 75, SST 85 and Science 95. So these data need to represent with the help of this bar diagram. See, these are bar actually in the form of rectangle. For this it is actually named as bar. One, that is the criteria you have to just follow whenever you are just drawing this bar graph. This width must be same of each graph, and the distance or that is the gap between these also uniform. These two things you should just keep in your mind whenever you are just drawing any bar graph. See here, I am just taking once again this x-axis and y-axis. We are putting in the one direction only. So we are just taking the positive area, that is x, o, y, o, x within this region. See here, English, we are just taking this is as subject. This x-axis is subject and y-axis is actually marks of 10. Marks of 10. So this 1, 2, 3 it is just given over here. Each one stands for, that is the 10. That is scale. You just take this scale is equal to 1 is to 10 marks. Scale is 1 is to 10. That is 1 represents this 10 marks. So here 90. English she scored 90. So 9 into 10, 90. This is actually the subject English. And you are just doing some shading over here and it will just look better and just signifies the subject very promptly or vividly. Now in maths, equal distance and equal width also you just take it. This math subject, this is 95. This is 90 and 90 in between this. So this is actually showing this is the math score of math. In this way, Hindi and SST and Science you can also represent the same way. So you have to make sure your scale and that is the axis you are just signifies over here, that is the subject and marks of 10 whenever you should mention all these things, as because we are representing x-axis as a subject and y-axis as a mark, and accordingly we are just plotting the just the data, and accordingly the pictures are formed. Just showing how to just represent the some data with the help of this picture. In this way, the vice versa, if this data picture is given, you can also just take the or the extract the data also from the graph. In my I am just showing you the next example. I am showing you that one. Reading of graph, bar graph. What is that? Suppose graph is given. You have to read the data and just compute the, that is the numerals. In my previous one example was the data were given. You were actually, we have already just draw the, that is the bar graph. Here bar graph is given. You have to just extract the data, that is the asked data or the required data. Here it is given this in the x-axis number of members. It is given a bar graph showing that the survey of 100 families of a village, the number of members in each family. This is the one, that is a survey just took place within 100 families, and it is just after just going to just get this survey, we got this information, and from this information we are getting the or extracting the, that is the numerals. What is that? See, in this y-axis it is number of families, in x-axis number of members. So 100 families, this is total number is 100 families. So first question is asked for, see here is actually 2 is the number of family member of the family, that is family member 2 such families are number 5. 3 members of family 30. 4 members having 55 families. 5 members is 10. This is, that is 5 plus 35 plus this is 90 plus 10. This out of 100 we are just taking this, that is a survey. So here question is, what does the bar graph shows? Here this bar graph shows actually, this is the survey, that is a bar graph shows that the number of members in each 100 family of a village, in each family, out of 100 families, what is actually just showing, this bar graph is actually giving that information. Now second one, how many families have less than 5 members? If it is asked for, less than 5 means out of 100, 10 is 5, less than 5 means rest is 5, rest is less than 5. That is out of 100, 10 is left for 5, and that is your data will be 90. Next one, how many have more than 3 members? More than 3 members means more than this, that is 4 or 5 members. It is 55 plus 10, it will be 65. Then how many have 2 members? That is, it is only 2 members is there, that is 5 families have only 2 members. In this way you can extract the data from the, that is the bar graph, as well as you can draw the bar graph with the help of data. So this is actually the bar graph utility, and this is actually one pictorial representation to analyze or to show any data, and this is the utility of bar graph. Thank you very much.